You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. It's a name of Slavic origin, so from Russian originally, and it's got a different pronunciation in English as well. So let's go through. The Russian pronunciation is as Pavel. Pavel. That's how you'd say it. Therefore, in English, it's often pronounced as Pavel. Pavel. Now, in English, it's also very more commonly probably pronounced as Pavel. Pavel would be the English pronunciation of the name. From Russian, Pavel. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.